The history of Ijevsk State Technical University dates back to February 1952, when Stalin, the chairman of the Council of Ministers, signed the decree on the establishment of Ijevsk Mechanical Institute. The institute was meant to train specialists for mass production of Item 412, Kalashnikov assault rifle. At the initial stage of the institute development, the core of its teaching staff was composed of the representatives of Bauman Moscow Higher Technical School. By the end of 1960s, the entire galaxy of own young scientists was formed at Ijevsk Mechanical Institute. Today, the university is the founder of technical education in the Democratic Republic. For the recent decades, the Technical University has turned into the multi-profile research and educational center. In 1993, the institute was granted the status of a technical university. According to the latest sociological rankings, the university is among top 100 technical universities in Russia. Today, over 11,000 students are educated in 3 faculties, 9 institutes, and 5 branches of ISTU. All in all, during the period of its existence, over 50,000 engineers for the country industry graduated from Ijevsk State Technical University. For the great contribution to training specialists for the military-industrial complex, in 2012, the Technical University was named after the outstanding small arms designer Mikhail Kalashnikov. According to the information of the Ministry of Labor of Udmurtia Republic, over 80% of the specialists in the companies of Udmurtia are the graduates of IMI ISTU of different years. During the whole history, the university has traditionally been keeping close relations with industrial enterprises of the region, whose specialists are involved into joint research projects with the scientists of ISTU. On the basis of Ijevsk radio plant, the students of the Technical University are working on the project for producing the fittings to test military-purpose microchips. The implementation of the project DEU Target is an example of close cooperation of the university scientists with the designers of Kalashnikov Group. The Laboratory of Mobile Systems of Kalashnikov ISTU is working on the development of mobile robots with original design. Kalashnikov Group and KAMAZ Group were among its partners. The university has arranged the effective mechanisms for involving students into scientific activities and research work. Every year, the university serves as a platform for Russian students' scientific practical conferences and Olympiads. The significant event in the university life is the hosting of regional championships of professional skills by the standards of world skills. Study rooms and laboratories of the Technical University are fitted with modern equipment, which is effectively used in educational process. The Engineering Center of ISTU Special Technologies of Processing the Surface with Targeted Properties became a very important component of the innovative structure of the region. The program Lean Production, developed by the scientists of the university, is implemented here. Tech is the electroplating laboratory established at ISTU in the frameworks of the partner project with Aachen University, Germany. The Technical University has all the conditions for high-quality education. Only recently, the underground shooting gallery for testing different types of small arms has resumed operation after the reconstruction at the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, the oldest in the university. The Laboratory of Internal Combustion Engines and Oil and Gas Field Equipment was opened at the Department of Heat Engines and Plants. The Examination Center in Non-Destructive Testing was founded at the Department of Instruments and Methods of Measurements, Control and Diagnostics. The university provides training for the group of students with hearing disabilities of the bachelor program Designing Technological Provision for Machine Building Production. The Research and Educational Center of Technologies of National Instruments was opened at the Faculty of Instrumentation Engineering. To improve the university prestige, the first IFTOM Student International Olympiad on Mechanism and Machine Science was organized. To stimulate the interest of school children in scientific and technical creative activities, the university regularly hosts the Festival of Science for school children and prospective students, the International Scientific Educational School Session from Student to Scientist, the Championship of Urals in Sport Programming, the Multi-Profile Engineering Olympiad Zvezda. In the frameworks of the program New Human Resources for Military-Industrial Complex, the ways of ISTU educational activities modernization have been developed, from profile engineering classes to the work of school university and cooperation with Ijevsk Quantorium. Starting from 1990s, ISTU has been occupying the rightful place in international educational space. At present, the university has partner relations with 50 universities from Europe, Asia, and Africa. About 300 international students from 21 countries study at the university. ISTU campus is located in the park area at the outskirts of Ijevsk and has the developed infrastructure. Here you can find everything for successful studies, life and good rest. Student center Integral, hostels and children's playground, bistros and cafes, health center and polyclinic are working. The stadium with artificial covering has been reconstructed and the swimming pool is open. To the 100th anniversary of Mikhail Kalashnikov, the campus territory underwent the large-scale reconstruction, during which over 25,000 square meters were well furnished. Over 100 street lamps were installed. New pedestrian and bike ways were laid out. The lawns, new parking lots for 200 cars, including the eco parking lot, were set up. After Kalashnikov Park was opened, 2 memorial complexes were installed in it to the legendary small arms designer and war children, soldiers of the labor front.